This video guide is about removing the browser notifications and fake human verification alerts that are related to the site News-zolawi.cc. This is a deceptive website attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. The website tries to trick people into clicking on this special allow button, supposedly to help them confirm that the person is not a robot. But in reality, to click on allow button is dangerous, and this may hijack and infect your browser. If you click on allow, first of all, you may be redirected to some other dangerous pages. Also, you may start getting the great portion of ads in the right part of the screen in the form of intrusive push notifications. In case you have clicked on allow, definitely it was a mistake that needs to be urgently fixed. So let us fix this issue. This is how you can do it. Access the menu of the browser, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, then Site Settings, go to Permissions, then choose Notifications, and pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. When you find this site News-zolawi.cc, click on this button and delete the malicious site from the list. This should be sufficient enough to fix your browser and remove unwanted push notifications. However, I also recommend you to check your computer with the reliable antivirus software. You may do that with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official resource combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin carefully researching and investigating your computer to detect and delete all other threats which could possibly remain on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.